earthen mounds that they could hide.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Union.
Okay, let's get ready. When I find out, we'll
Oh my god!
What?
Единственное, что Россия будет пытаться использовать это время для выжидания, для попытки
Oh crud! I almost ran. Look at this guy right here. What the is wrong with you? Don't know how to drive. Look, man. Ooh, you see that shit? Ooh. Oh. Did you hit somebody?